So not only behavior sends requests from client to server, but any change in data model sends marks part of page dirty and include that part in response. So in our current approach, developer has to decide what parts of page should be updated. So we are going to introduce Swing-like models bounded to model change, what sends fire events to GSF and marks components to update. I think we can do it with web-bean SIEM interceptors to check any calls to setter method of Java bean and recognize any change. Probably it would be being something like GSR 295 bean binding. The idea is components attribute like value bounded to model. On any model update, model sends event to binding listener. What listener appends component to partial context to update. And partial context renders that component in for response. More crazy idea that is not any roadmap, not any project, but my only little research to combine new GSF 2.0 flexible view description language and combine that with JavaFX, because I write out JavaFX futures from compiler wiki from show how it's applicable to web development. Most attractive feature in JavaFX is binding. This is exactly necessary for user interface development to get information about data change to user interface, to simplify interface development. Developer have not to think what change, what I have to update on page or in the window, but only if my data changed, user interface have to be updated. Easy to use. It's nice target for web development also. Runs on GWeb. Okay, it's good for because it's same environment as Java Server Faces works. Interacts with Java. Of course, it's necessary for Java Server Faces, Java Enterprise Edition application. Easy natural graph object creation. It's very attractive for GSF because Java Server Faces view is exact graph of Java Server Faces components. So the same model is same. Graphics Center is not our target. Single-threaded, it's can be assumed, but I think we can use single-threaded model from JavaFX to hide discrete web application nature from developer. Therefore, application developer can write out any code and don't afraid about requests, thread, concurrency. It has to be to framework. Focus it on small to medium scale application. It's, really, this is the most of Java Server Face application has the same target. Take a look. So, how number guessing example from Java Server implementation can be write on JavaFX. Instead of FView tag, we write creates JavaFX view object. what have to create Java Server Faces view. And we define any attributes, and these attributes propagates to Java Server Faces components. About Ajax, it's also part of current implementation Ajax example. In addition to define Ajax tags to handle user input, developers have to provide ID of component to update on response. Using JavaFX binding, it is not necessary. If we bind str attribute from echo bin, it should be updated automatically as we change value in input text component. Of course, create custom JavaFX components is pretty simple, because JavaFX is object-oriented language and you can extend any class. On the left part, this example of Java Server Faces component, what contains label and input text. And on the right side, how it can be used on a JavaFX page. The implementation idea is custom view description language factory, what creates JavaFX language instance for request to appropriate pages. The view description language implementation use JavaFX script compiler to create Java classes from JavaFX script. These Java classes implements handler interface and this one apply method, and that method creates Java Server Faces components instance for view. Thank you. Sorry, this is my first Java Server Faces talk, so do not